Make some coconut macaroons. You'll need to start off with some parchment paper. You'll need a scoop of ice cream scooper or something just to make, you know, round balls. You'll need a can of condensed milk and some coconut. Okay, you'll start by pouring some coconut. Now, you can put this in the oven and let them caramelize for about 5 minutes if you want to. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it at 350 and I'll be back as soon as it starts getting brown. Now, we got the sweetened kind. You can buy the unsweetened kind and do this if you want less sugar, because you know the milk's got sugar in it. Okay, mine's been in the oven for 10 minutes on 350. So we're going to pour it back in our bowl. You don't want them browned. Not yet. You just want your coconut warmed. Get a better flavor. Okay, now we're going to start adding our condensed milk. 1 spoon at a time till it starts making a ball. I think we're almost there. I'm going to add a little bit more. I think we got it now. Okay, let's try it and see. Yep, it's working. Now you can roll these with your hands after you scoop them up. Make a perfect ball. If you got a Dollar Tree next to close to you, you could probably get the coconut and the condensed milk for about $2.50, maybe $3. Depends on how much your Dollar Tree raised their prices up or if they didn't. Okay, I'm going to roll these by my hand. Okay. Okay, I'll be back after I get them all rolled. They're done. They took about 5 to 7 minutes after I put them in the oven at 350 because my oven was warmed up. It takes between 5 to 15 minutes. Depends on your oven, so you got to watch them. You can't run off and leave them. And if you see they start getting brown on the bottom, jerk them out. Thanks for watching. Push the like, subscribe button if you ain't already, and thank you. Let them cool for 30 minutes before you touch them. I got a little bit of chocolate chips, and I put a little bit of coconut oil in there. Melt it in the microwave till it melted. Now we're going to drizzle them over this. You don't cover them with it, you just drizzle. And you don't even have to do this. You probably even find chocolate chips up there at the Dollar Tree too to do this with. Now, if you want to dip them in it, you can. But you have to wait till they cool off first.